Hey guys, Alec here, and today I'm going to be talking about the 4% group, which is a system that I have been utilizing literally for the past 2.5 years. And I would recommend it to anybody that wants to learn how to make money on the internet and do it in a step-by-step process. What they have is a program right now called the 4% Challenge, and they have three, I wouldn't say modules, but three um, systems that you go through. And the first one that you go through teaches you how to go from $0 to your first $10,000 online. And then once you get past that step, you have another step that teaches you to go from 10,000 to 100,000, and then another step that takes you from 100,000 to $1,000,000. And this guy has made millions of dollars in a year's time. So he can definitely teach you how to do it and teach you how to do it and do it the right way and to actually get results quickly, using his strategies, using his training, and using his resources. He's got a lot of resources that he's going to recommend and give you, and you're going to get some massive value from it, guaranteed. Like I'm not just saying this, for hype or fluff or anything. I've been around for 7 years on this, doing internet marketing and online marketing and just making money online with tons of different strategies, not just online marketing and stuff like that, but I've done tons of ways of making money online. This has been the most stable way to earn income that I've experienced. That's why I refer people to learn how to do this and to do it in a way that's going to be sustainable, because there's a lot of people out there, sure, they're up, they're making money for a minute, but then they lose all of it. And that's another reason why you want to join the 4%, because they teach you about multiple income streams and how important that is to be implementing into your efforts. So super, super, super important, guys. And you want to get this tangible information because, a year ago, I bought a Facebook product, right? It was a Facebook product that taught me how to make money using Facebook. And it worked really well then. I made some decent money using the strategy, but I go back and try to implement the same stuff now, and it's irrelevant. That's what happens. His information comes and goes. So you need to be updated with everything that's working now. People can be selling you a course that could have worked 3 years ago, but it's not working now. And that's happened to me over and over and over and over. So the 4% has updated strategies, and they're going to continue to update these strategies all the time. Okay, and if you would like to check out the 4% group, simply click the link in the description of this video or go to the website infiniteleadsforlife.com, and you can get access for $1 for 7 days trial period. And then you get extended into the membership if that's what you want to do. If you're not satisfied with the product during that 7 days, simply cancel your membership and get a refund on your dollar. But I can guarantee you that if you go through the sessions and you implement what they're teaching every single day, you will change your life and you will change your results. But you have to take it seriously. A lot of people come into this game, they dip their toe in the water. Are you one of those people? Because if you're one of those people, you're not going to make anything. But if you're one of those people that's going to take this thing seriously, then I believe you can make it. You can make it work. We've got the best systems, the best training online. I would not be in this system if it wasn't. I like to endorse something or promote something or refer something that is actually working for me personally so I can testify to it. And I apologize for my phone keeps going off. I really hate that it keeps going off during my videos. I apologize, but simply, guys, click the link in the description. Check it out for yourself. I'm actually on the leaderboards right now as one of the top affiliates, and I'm going to continue to stay there because I know exactly what I'm doing, and everything I've learned within this program. Okay, guys, talk to you guys in the next video, and thank you for watching.